Did you know you can turn your photos into super awesome slow motion videos? Take a look at these videos. These look like real videos, but they are actually made from photos that are turned into video using AI. And you can do this too, it's pretty easy. This works really well on close-up shots, especially with animals, and I'm gonna show you exactly what you need to do to get this result on your own photos. Now, if you're thinking, why would I want to turn my photos into these slow motion videos? If you're sharing your photos on social media, let's say on Instagram, you know that photos don't really get that much reach anymore, so you want to make reels. And if you don't have videos, you can turn photos into these short videos to get a lot more reach with your photos, or actually videos. So let me show you how you can create these videos yourself. To create these videos, I'm going to use Freepik. Freepik is a website where you can create AI photos and videos. On the homepage, I'm gonna go to AI video generator, and here I'm gonna generate a video. In the dashboard, we can upload our start image and end image. I'm only going to use a start image, and when I click on start image, I can just select this file from my desktop. I'm going to use this photo as an example. I'm just gonna click on upload, and then I will click on use image. Now AI is gonna generate a prompt for my image, but we are not gonna use this prompt because we're gonna write our own prompt. So let's delete this one. And let's write a close-up shot of a tiger. Then we will add tiger moves his head slightly. The tiger blinks his eyes. Very slow motion video. Realistic movements. Fur doesn't move. And this one is important because when you don't add this prompt, the fur is gonna look really AI generated, and it's making these weird movements that I don't like. So when I add this one, it's gonna fix that problem. In mode, I'm going to select all because I want to generate with different modes. For the effects, I'm gonna delete this one. I'm not gonna use any effect. And for the ratio, I'm going to select social story, and this way we can also make a reel from it. And now you can see I can generate 2 videos because for this ratio, it supports Luma Dream Machine and Runway Gen 3. And let's just click on generate, and it's gonna generate this video. Now, to get the best result with these videos is to just generate a couple of these videos and then pick the best one. Sometimes you generate a video and it looks totally horrible, then you just generate it again and again until you get a good result. It took me about 2 to 3 generations to get a good video, so that was pretty fast. Once you have the video, the only thing you have to do is to add some music to the background or some sound effects of a lion, of a tiger, or whatever animal you have in your video. And that way it's gonna look really realistic. And that's it, that's how easy it actually is. Try it out, you might get some really cool videos from your photos. If you want to see more AI tools, make sure to check out one of these videos. Until then, catch you on the next one.